Hey traders, Lance here. Let's go over how do I place an options trade on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim platform. Very powerful, but it's also very easy to use. Let's get right to it here. Facebook. I have the thought process here on Facebook that it trades over $200 and hits that 208.66 onto new highs here. I look at my implied volatility down below. IV is cheap because options are cheap because the stock just had earnings. So implied volatility is low. That's the time you want to be an options buyer. So now I'm going to go in to my Thinkorswim platform, and it may be a little overwhelming at first. Trust me, I get it. But here we have November 8th, weekly expirations and monthly expirations. Usually I want to look at options since I do have a price target on Facebook that is much higher. I want to give the trade time to work. So I want to look if Facebook trades over 200 bucks plus, I'm going to look for December options out there. They're 44 days away, with today being November 6th out there. So I can look here at the December 195 calls. So they're right at the money calls. Now they're not in the money, but they're at the money here. So the closest one without going in the money here. And I'm going to look to place an options order in the Facebook 195 calls here. A little heads up. When you are looking at placing an options order, you see how the mid-market is 535 and the natural NAT is 540? You can actually look at the bid and the ask here, okay? So they're 530 by 540. I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna put my order in because I have all the time today. I don't have to get in this order right now. I'm gonna go ahead and put my order in right at 530, so actually the bid. I always say, if you want to place an option, and let's say you want to get filled quick, don't go and put it right on the ask. Put it mid-market. So 535, you can even try 533. You can, right there, you can actually type it in, confirm, and you can send the order right there. Hit send. It will give you your max loss. One contract at 533, 533 bucks. My max gain, well, if Facebook goes to, let's say, 205, these options go to 10 bucks, and I have all the way to December. I love it. Lance with the future of wealth. That's how you place an options trade on TD Ameritrade Thinkorswim.